Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, I was underneath my trailer. Underneath here is the valve that is really stuck for draining my tank. This is my clean water tank. So, in the past I've had luck with this product, and I'm hoping I will this time too. I may have to end up pulling this out because there might be something stuck up in there that I don't want in there. But I'm going to start out with this product here, T9 Bow Shield. I've talked about it a lot, done a couple videos on it. No, they don't sponsor me. Wish they did. They are a good company though. I have had problems with some of their things in the past, and they took care of me right away. No problems, no questions asked. I don't know. Something I think is actually physically stuck in here because this was kind of open and I closed it. I'm hoping it's not a mouse or something nasty. I'm gonna shoot this right up inside there, and quite honestly I don't know whether or not this is a potable type thing, but when I flush it out it'll hopefully work. Nope. I can get it in, I cannot pull it out. And it's not going all the way in either. It's definitely stuck. So we're going to start by pulling this apart here because I need this trailer in a couple days. So that's an 8, but this is a 10 or a 3/8 because is it a 9? Yep, 9's too small. 10 is a little bit too big, but I'm going to go with it. I'd say that's probably a 3/8, I think. That'd be kind of the equivalent, but we're going with it. Take the 8 off. I'm going to use my 8mm wrench up here. And this down here, we're going to pull this apart. And I'm going to go probably corner to corner here. In fact, I didn't even have to use a wrench. And that way, hopefully, it'll loosen up fairly evenly. It doesn't take much to get those. And you'll have to deal with the dog next door because he's a dog. Now, it should go without saying, but I'll say it anyway. If you have a full tank of water, you're going to probably get wet and could or hurt yourself. So, be careful. Alright, so that's it for that. This is a gasket, feels good here. This does not want to come out of here, so I'm just going to leave it. And we're going to bring this inside and kind of look over it. What do we got going on here? You can see there's nothing really in here. It just is very, very stuck. There's a little bit of stuff in here, but not much anything. Hopefully that was in camera. I'm just wondering, like, if this seal swelled up a little bit in here and is, oh, there we go. So this whole thing actually popped right off of here. Alright, there's that. Yet again, it's a very nice sunny and high 50s, low 60s day, so I got my garage door open instead of heat on, so I'm going to enjoy it. You got to deal with the barking dog. I'm going to go find a good rag and kind of wipe some stuff down. At the same time, while I'm doing that, I'm actually going to, I wonder if I can pull this apart. It kind of doesn't look like it. This doesn't look like much of a pulling apart thing. I'm going to lube this up. I'm actually going to lube it down in here. Like I said, you are responsible for your own safety. This stuff is probably not really potable. I'm not too worried about the amount that I'm using here. And but you got to decide for yourself if you want to use this for what I'm using it for. But I do know lubing up these parts here, yeah, see, that's all it needed was some lube, as you can see. I was going to let that sit there while I went and found a rag to kind of clean stuff up, but there you go. That should be good. I'm still going to get a rag. I'm going to clean all this up, try and get as much of this out of here as I can, maybe even spray it down with some water, hose it down a little bit, clean it up, and put it back in. I don't think you need to see me put 4 screws and bolts back in. Just watch my video in reverse if you need to. And now you know. And it took just as hard as I could to get that to open up and close last time. And a little bit of this goes amazing. I mean, this stuff just worked for this kind of stuff. It's a dry lube, so it's not supposed to pick up dirt and dust and those kind of things. A lot of woodworkers use them, and it was originally built for airline use. So, T9 Bow Shield, I will swear by it, and no, yet again, they do not pay me. And I haven't even got any real free products. I've had them, they've replaced products where I have a video on this. Go watch it if you want to. You'll see why I like it so much and why I say their customer service is pretty much next to none, one of the best. So if you like videos like this, please go check out the playlists on my channel. Check out the RV upgrade one. There's lots of them on my trailer, different upgrades I've done to it, different fixes I've done to it, as well as all my other videos. I have several mechanical videos as well as DIY homeowner stuff. So, thanks for watching Junk Works DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.